Here's how to handle payments securely in your Bubble app using Stripe. Step 1, go to the Plugins tab on the Bubble editor. Search for the Stripe plugin. The plugin version that we're looking for is the official Stripe plugin by the Bubble team themselves. One click and install that. Make sure you have a Stripe account set up. It's completely free to set up a Stripe account at stripe.com. Once you've completed Stripe setup and entered all of your business details, you'll then be able to generate an API key for the development version of your app and also the live version. Put those API keys into the API key fields on the plugin tab in the Bubble editor. Make sure that you put your development key in the development input and your live API key in the live input. If you get these two crossed, then it's not going to work. Once you have the plugin installed and your API keys entered, you can then insert the action in the Bubble editor for subscribing the user to a plan or charging the user a certain amount. The difference between these two is that the charge action will charge a one-time payment from the user, whereas a subscription will subscribe them to a plan that you have to define first in your Stripe account, and then it will automatically bill them every month, week, year, or whatever time frame that you define. So if you're building a software business or a SaaS product, then you'll want to use that subscribe action. If you're just building an app with a one-time charge, then you can use the charge the current user action. Be sure to define the amount to charge if you are using the charge action, otherwise it will fail. You can also define which currency you want to charge the user in, so make sure that it aligns with your country, and you can also add in any tax rates that you might want to apply. Once you have everything set up, you can then preview your app in development mode and run a charge or subscription for the current user that you're logged in with, and make sure that it all works and that all of the charge data and information for the user is captured in your Stripe account. Follow for more tips on Bubble and Bubble development.